All right, here we come to the elevators at the JW Marriott in downtown San Francisco, California on Union Square. See, these two elevator cars have already been modernized, but these two on this side are still original. Let's just hope that we don't stop a whole bunch of times. I want to start with the original elevators first, and I have a good feeling that it's going to be as busy as usual. All right, here's this elevator car right here. Oh, the best view is that way. Oh, okay. I was confused. These are Otis vanity fixtures. Oh, these are fast. Yeah, we're probably gonna stop a lot on the way down. These elevators are in the process of being modernized, so we might stop a bunch of times. We'll get a good view of these fixtures. If this thing stops, or if people get on, I'm gonna pause my video real quick. Oh, this is the third floor. Did I just see that elevator car go by? Are you coming in?
Sure.
Thankfully, we didn't stop a bunch of times on the way back, on the way back down like before. Perfect nonstop ride. All right, well, I got a great video of that elevator, so there it goes. And that's it.